Alright, y'all, I'm finna do homemade fries and chicken nuggets with chicken breast. Alright, I got these right here to go. Alright, got my potatoes cut up. French fries. Alright, I got my chicken rinsed off. I'm finna cut it up into nuggets. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and get it a little seasoned. Alright, let's add a look. So what I'm gonna do, add a little flour to it. Probably about that much. Watch how them things come out. Okay, let's add a look. Let's go ahead and, it should be hot enough. Oh, no it ain't. Almost there. Still gonna throw them in. It'll be alright. These ain't all the way hot, but they'll get there. Right, y'all, got them in the pan. It's a lot of them in there. They don't look like it. I ain't want to overflow it. They won't cook right. Alright, I'm gonna drop my fries. Shit. How they looking? Got my fries. That's how the fries gotta look. Alright, y'all, I'm taking them out. This is how they look. Alright, y'all, this is the first batch. Still got a lot more to go.